We just done our breakfast. So this is the view in back of our hotel. It's trees and water. So peaceful right here. Amazing view. Right here it is. So that's this is Lake Lanier Island Resort. So I can highly recommend this one. It's a peaceful place away from COVID. Okay, we're ready to check out now with my honey. So our messy room. So our luggage is ready. Close, Ray, close. Yep. Oops. Close, close. Okay, curtain close. We're gonna go final check our luggage. There. There. Okay. Thank you for watching.